In this video we will see how to get 20% off on Fliki, which is an amazing AI tool for making videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open Fliki from the link given in description. You can see here, we are live on Product Hunt with 20% discount. If you don't have an account on Fliki, click on Sign Up and create an account. If you already have an account, click on Login. Now, click here on Upgrade. You can see the monthly plans. If you click on yearly plans, you will get a 25% discount on the total price. You can compare the benefits and decide which plan to buy. I will tell you a coupon code that will get you a 20% discount on the monthly plans. Select any plan of your choice and click subscribe now. You will be redirected to the payment page. On the left-hand side, you will see the option to add promotion code. Enter Fliki PH20 and click apply. You can see that we have received a 20% discount, reducing the price from $88 to $70. You can now enter the remaining details on the right-hand side and complete the payment. If you want to know about another text-to-video tool, then check out this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel to know about such amazing AI tools. If you want a video on any specific AI tool, then drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.